Right, so today's lesson is on sections of solids, okay, and we're working with oblique planes, all right? So we're working with a cylinder and we need to slice it. So this is our oblique plane here, falling over. We have a vertical trace or horizontal trace. It's grand to have obviously our solution down below, but to know why and to know which view to go from. So as I said before, you have to see which one isn't going to change. Okay, so which one isn't going to change when it's cut? So we have a cylinder here looking straight down from above. The most outer section isn't going to change no matter what way we chop this up, or how many slices or what way we slice it in here. This outer portion is going to stay the same. So that's why we bring them horizontally across, vertically up, and parallel to the VT in elevation. So you need to know, so it's grand getting your solution, but you need to know which view, all right, and why we're doing that. So we'll get our setup in and we'll work from there. So we have our XY line. Put in our center line as well there. Just put in our horizontal line here just to get our extremities. Okay. Now, there's our setup. Nearly finished there now. Remember, keep the elevation light because that's the one that's getting sliced off. There's no point making it all heavy and then having to rub everything out. Start off nice and light and we can jump from there. Okay, so our vertical trace is 36 out. So that's where our traces are. It is 30 degrees on top. Always heavy. So vertical. Horizontal is 60 degrees. And bottom. Always heavy. Now, that's our setup. So like we were saying, this is the one that's getting chopped because when we look from above, it's not going to change. We're going to start off nice and handy here, right? We have our 4 outside points. Now you can slice this up as many times as you want. It does not matter, okay? I'm just going to go and copy what they've done, all right? Because they have, going with how many points have we got here? Yeah, that's grand. So they're just doing a slice here. So we'll just put a slice across here. And we'll do a slice across here. So we'll copy theirs actually so they're the same, top and bottom. Make it easier for ourselves. So what they've done is they popped in a slice and they've located it to be directly below the other one. So at least when we're sending it up, less lines to do. So putting in our slice there, which is directly below the other one. Just going to be a slice here. All right, now they've just gone and numbered. So again, I'm going to copy them just in case you are following it. So they're starting with their 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 here. All right. Now, so we're going to go parallel to the XY line, sending our points across. One at a time is the easiest, so we're not getting confused. So we're sending 0 over to hit our horizontal trace, because that HT line is on the ground, so it's sitting on the ground. So we know that's a definite place to work with. So it's sitting, that HT, looking down from above, that's where it is, sitting on the ground, but it's going back then, and we don't know where to. So we're going to send it back to the HT. We're going to bring it up then to locate it in here on the XY line. So I'm going to put my little arrow in there. So there it is there. we brought it to hit it to HT where it is on the ground. We brought it up to find it on the ground, and now we're going to bring it back parallel to this. Nice and handy. It's already 30 degrees, so we'll use our 30-degree set square. Okay. Back parallel. And I can bring it back as far as I want, but I know it's in line with that. So there is my 0. Alright, and we'll work our way around. We're going to do 2 points at a time, because as you can see, 1 and 7 are on the same. Alright, there, brought across. Brought over to hit our HT. Bringing it up to hit our XY. Kick it back then parallel to our VT, our vertical trace. Alright, and to locate them then, it's just a matter of bringing them up from below. That one. And there is that one. So that is number 1. Down here in the ground is number 7. I'm just going to write below the line there. Number 7. Okay. And keep continuing. 2 to 6. Send it over. Remember, we're sending it over because this here, HT, is the plan view of where it makes contact with the ground, the HT. So that's the plan. So if we bring it to, we know this is where it's starting from, our oblique plane. So then when we bring it up into elevation, you know that's definitely where this line is here. We're going to go back then sloping with the vertical trace, and then that's going to locate our points 2 and 6. So rinse and repeat. 3 and 5 over, get up, again parallel to this line. Just got to extend up the points you already have. Five and 3, and finally number 4. So I'm just doing them in red pen just so you can see where they are. And there is number 4. Alright. So sorry, I should get arrow there just to show what I did. Alright, that's it then. All you have to do is join them all together. So you're going up and you're going around. Alright. So do it nice and light first. Alright. If you do it nice and light, if you do start to go off or wander off, you can just adjust it. Remember, an elliptical shape is a rugby ball, not American football, so it has more of a round at the end rather than a point. And loop down here and back up. And then we can go back over now. Alright, once you've that then, you can pop in your, or heavy in I should say, your extreme generators, being the most outer point, which is this one and this one, because you know exactly where you're going to stop, and we can have your base, you haven't done this already. That there then is our cut surface. I'm not going to shade it in, alright, just because I don't want to cover up my work. So that's all it is. Alright, thank you.